Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a cute stitch. So first let's get started towards the left-hand side of our page, and for our hair in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And now moving beside that, we're going to replicate that, bringing that back down on the right. From the side now, we're going to arch this line over and down. And then from that point, again, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the right, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from that corner, let's curve this around, flattening that out, coming in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same as we come over on the right, blending that together. Now let's draw in our nose. So directly in the center, we're going to draw in an arch line, bringing that around and then down. And then closing that off on the bottom, we're going to arch this back up and across on the right. Now on both sides, we're going to curve this over for the nostrils. Now moving up, we're going to draw in an arch line and then moving up again, making that even smaller one last time. Now let's draw in our eyes. So coming across on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the same thing on the left. Now closing off the top of the eye from that corner, we're going to arch this around and then down on the right. And we'll do the same thing as we move over and across on the left. Now moving in towards the top of our eye, in the corner, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the highlight. And then moving across on a diagonal, we're going to replicate that, just making that even smaller. Now let's draw in the mouth. So in each corner, we're going to draw in a small bracket. And then we're going to curve this line over and across. And then now for the tongue, we're going to arch this line around and then up, and then just drawing in a small line in the center. Let's draw in our eyebrows now. So as we come up on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then in at a point. And then we'll do the same on the left. Now let's move across and draw in our ears. So as we come over on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line around and in. From here, we're going to draw in a sideways letter V. And then we're just going to curve this back around and across again. Now from the middle, we're going to arch this line down on the bottom. And then we'll do the same as we come up, bringing this over and out on the right. Let's move over towards the left-hand side now. We're going to bring this line up and down. We're going to draw in another sideways letter V. And then from that point, just curving this back around and in on the side. And then now from here on the left, we're going to curve this line across. And then from that corner, bringing this over and back up. Now let's move down and draw in the arms. So in the center, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And then moving out again, let's replicate that, ending that so it's at the same height. Now from here for the thumb, curving this around and then in. We're going to bring this around, back up. Let's come across again, curving that out. And then from that point again, bringing this around and back in. Now let's draw in the feet. So we're going to arch this out on both sides. In the center, let's curve this around, back down. And then from that point, just curving this around, back in. We'll do that one more time. And then now from here, closing off the bottom of the foot, we're going to arch this line over and across. Now in each open spot here, we're just going to draw in a small circle. And then in the middle, we're just going to draw in a nice big circle. In the center now, we're going to draw in a small curved line. And then on both sides, just arching the sign up towards the top, closing off the body. And that is it. That's how you draw a cute stitch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.